Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. It's a girl. It's a girl, Jan J. Welcome back. So today we're going to talk about the wash and go, how it lasted, how I took care of my hair throughout the week. So if you're interested, then keep on watching. So this is day one of the wash and go when I was struggling to do it. If you want to see a full video on how I actually did my hair, how I struggle, what I did, what product I used, etc., then I will link a video in the cards and down below. But right after I set my hair, this is what it looked like. My hair was extremely defined. That 4C goodness, y'all. Hair was popping, okay? Kinks popping, coils popping, curls popping. We were looking real good. It did take a very long time for my hair to dry, so I took the blow dryer to it that night just to make sure that my roots were dry. But after I took the blow dryer to it, it really helped out. My hair was dry and yet extremely defined. We'll pray to the heavens and see what happens tomorrow. So this is the next day. I went to bed last night, legit y'all. I put my satin pillowcases to the test because I just went to bed. I did not put my hair up. I still have a lot of definition still in my hair. This is what we're working with. Especially from the side. Tell me I don't look like someone's crazy auntie. See if we can revive her. I do have some water. To revive my hair later that evening, I sprayed some water on it, went ahead and fluffed, and that was about it. She kind of fell into place. She looked good. She was defined. She was soft. She was moisturized. We were looking good. This definition is insane. Hi, Auntie Jan. Hey, babies. So technically, this is day 2, but it's kind of like the first day of my hair fully dry. So I like to think of this as day 1. But whatever. It's still feeling really nice. The wash and go is going strong. I mean, it's only technically day 2. Everything's looking really good. We still have lots of definition. There's still a little bit of movement, but not so much. Everything feels nice. Nothing's feeling really dry yet. I don't feel like I need to moisturize or anything like that. My biggest dilemma is figuring out how to sleep in my hair and have it still look good in the morning. What I've been doing is just going to bed, head, pillow. On Instagram, a lot of you guys tell me to do the pineapple method, so put all my hair on top of my head. I kind of feel like this may not work out very well because my hair is just going to stick right up. I don't know what's worse, having my hair stick up or having it flat. I picked flat so far, but we're gonna try the pineapple. We're gonna keep an open mind, okay? I have my head wrap over here. I am gonna just, try to push it all up. And it's really hard to do this just because, my hair is so shrunken. I don't know how to really get it all the way up. I just feel like I'm ruining it, but this is what I was told. I was instructed to do this. This would be such a cute hairstyle, actually. Oh, I think this, okay, we know how we are gonna finish this wash and go, okay? This will be such a cute hairstyle. But anyways, let's try to put my head wrap on. I guess this gets my hair out of my face. It gets it protected, so let me scooch down. I'm just gonna leave it like this and go to bed. This would low-key be a hairstyle, okay? Low-key. But yeah, this is day 2. I'll see you guys tomorrow and we'll see how it holds up. So the next day, I took off my head wrap and I couldn't help but bust out laughing, y'all. I look crazy. I was low-key so mad at y'all for suggesting the pineapple. Like, pineapple and 4C hair, no, boo-boo. I was trying to get the shape back, spritzing my hair a little bit, pushing it back down. But you know what? Nothing was working. Nothing. Low-key, I was like, I'm never listening to y'all again. Anyways, we made it do what it do. I picked it out and just kept playing with it until it looked decent. When my mom was like, girl, what you got going on? And I was like, mama, They told me to do this. And that's when I also discovered that a full hog would actually look super cute, but we didn't do it. I kind of let it be. This is what we're working with, and that's how I rocked it. I kind of look a little crazy at this point. The definition is still okay, I guess. But is it the right type of definition that we want? I guess I'm used to having my natural hair shrunk up in its natural way. Not like little ringlets like this. So this is kind of like an interesting look for me. I am gonna go shower and moisturize my hair in the shower. My hair does feel quite dry. This is like 3 days after the wash and go. I am ready to get some water in my hair, but I'm not gonna wash this out yet. So I'm gonna shower. I'm gonna do my thing in the shower, as you guys know, like steam my hair in the shower, get it wet a little bit, and we'll see what we get out of that. In the shower, I don't soak my hair. I just wet my hands and running through my hair as I go about my business. And the steam from the shower really moisturized my hair, and the little water that I add really just helped things along. Yes, now she's giving me life. She like came right back to life. She just came up from the dead. She's not as dry as she was before. This is what I was trying to say, like my hair felt dehydrated under the gel, but once it soaked up the moisture from my shower, once I added some water to her, she just drank it all up and she feels really good. You can see some of the leave-in conditioner slash gel in my hair since I wet it, but once it dries, it really doesn't leave a cast or anything. So yeah, I'm looking real cute today. I'm loving it. It's later that evening. It's time to go to bed. We already know that we're not about to do no pineapple for nobody. But some of you guys actually suggested that I do a bunch of mini pineapples. So I opted to split my hair into 3 and just put them into these little goodie hair bands. Nothing really fancy. Just went ahead and quickly did it. And that's how I went to bed. All right, so it's the next day. Let's take down these little mini pineapples. And okay, a few things that I've noticed. It did keep my hair kind of stretched a little bit, sort of, not really. Better than the previous days, I guess is kind of what I'm trying to say. But it was still giving me that, you know how frizzy hair is when it dries and it's like, I am dry. You cannot move me or put me into any other position because I am resting. So it's kind of like what I was feeling like. How am I supposed to get my hair back to look like the wash and go if it's bunched up in a bunch of little ponytails or in a big pineapple? Anyway, so I just kept fluffing and I realized that, you know what, fluffing may not be the answer. So let's just go back in the shower and do exactly what I did the day before, which is steam my hair and wet it a little bit. And boom, there she is, back from the dead once again. I think honestly the best way to revive a wash and go for frizzy hair is to just hop in the shower. I don't see no other way. You guys can let me know, but the pineapple and the mini pineapple, all of that just didn't compare to hopping in the shower and just kind of like pressing that reset button. Anyways, I really like my hair like that. And of course, shrinkage is the name of the game. If you are trying to keep your hair stretched, then perhaps, hopping in the shower is not what you should do. But, I am used to shrinkage. We have a special relationship. I'm not scared of her. So from that point on, I did not bother pineappling or mini pineappling or whatever the hell. I just stuffed my hair in a bonnet, went to bed. The next day, sure, my hair will be scrunched up, shrunken, etc. But I will just revive her in the shower. I just stuck with what I know works, and we had no problems moving forward. My hair is now starting to flake. It's been 8 days since I did the wash and go. And now it's flake galore, okay? I have flakes all over my hair now. Anyways, it's wash day. It's time to wash it out. Because I know I'm going to get a lot of questions on this. I can read your mind, girl, don't you worry. How was my detangling session after a week of wearing my hair into a wash and go? Well, I'm pleased to let you know that it was excellent. I don't know if it's the combination between the leave-in conditioner and the gel coating my strands for a week, but I had no tangles. It was so easy to just hop in the shower, section my hair, and wash it out and finger detangle. Really, I had no issues to the point that I ended up doing a cute little style afterwards. Look at me. Okay, Jen, styling your hair twice in a row. Yes, girl, I see you. I'm here for it. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you made it this far, might as well subscribe, sis. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye.